Drawing with Ava. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome to our channel for another beautiful drawing. Today we will learn and draw one of the strongest and most beautiful animals in nature. Have you got your pencil and paper? Let's get started. Do you know what this animal is? You got it. It's a beautiful horse. Now get ready and let's go. Let's go around our horse step by step very slowly. Let's start drawing the forehead line. We go down past your face. We draw his mouth. We continue drawing to the chest line. That's it, very well. Did you know that horses are incredibly elegant and graceful animals? They are also known for their strength and speed, as well as for their loyalty and intelligence. Now let's draw the chest line of our horse. We'll draw your front legs one at a time very slowly. We start at the leg line. We draw the hoof of the paw on the left leg. We will also draw the hoof of the paw of the right leg. We have finished the contour of the front legs. Very well! Did you know that the horse is a vertebrate mammal that is part of the equine group? In this same group are also the zebra, the pony, and also the donkey. We will draw the line of your belly. Let's start the hind legs. First we draw the line of the left leg. We draw the hoof of the left paw. Now let's draw the line of your right leg. We draw the hoof of your right paw. That's fine. We continue the line that ends your right leg following to your entire back. Horses are found all over the world, except for very cold locations. Let's draw your tail step by step very slowly. Our tail is very robust and has many curves. The horse can weigh up to 1,100 pounds and can live up to 30 years old. The horse is often used in equestrian activities such as horseback riding and competitions. Wow! Have we finished the tail on our horse? Our horse drawing is already beginning to appear. We'll draw the line from the back of our horse. A curiosity about horses is that they have an incredible ability to communicate with their group and with humans. By observing his physical expressions, we can tell if he is afraid or aggressive. Let's draw your mane step by step very slowly. Our horse has a full mane and many curves. There are over 100 horse breeds. The best known are the Mangalarga, the Thoroughbred, the Arab, and the Quarter Mile. Each of them has its own beauty and its own characteristics. Shall we draw the face of our horse? First we draw his right eye. To finish we draw the lines of your nose. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It was beautiful! If you are enjoying the drawing so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. That's great! You've seen how drawing an easy horse step by step very slowly can be quite fun. Now, shall we paint? It's time to color our horse drawing. Our horse will be very colorful and cheerful. I have already separated the two colors that we will use to paint our horse. To begin our painting, we will use the light brown color to paint the whole body. Let's paint the body of our horse very slowly to leave everything well filled. We start painting by the hind legs. We paint a part of the body up to the line of the paws. We will paint the front paws to make everything the same. Yes, very well. Let's finish painting the whole body step by step. Follow the line very slowly. Very well. To finish the light brown, we will paint the entire face of our horse. We start at the neck and paint your ear. We now contour the eye, his mouth, and nose. Wow! It was perfect! It was very easy so far. To finish our painting, we will use the dark brown color to paint the hooves and hair of our horse. We started painting the hooves of the paws in dark brown color. Yes, very well. Now we will paint the whole voluminous tail of our little horse. Keep painting very slowly. Pay attention to the curves and details to make a nice painting. Did we finish the whole tail? It's getting really good. Our painting is getting perfect. Horses are big, beautiful, and strong animals. I love horses. Finally, we will paint the mane of our horse also dark brown, to match the color of the tail. Remember to pay attention to the details to create a very realistic painting. Wow! Our horse is already complete? Friends, our horse design was wonderful. It is a very colorful and cheerful design. Drawing and painting with me was a great way to learn about horses. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thank you for drawing this beautiful brown horse with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video and subscribe so you do not miss any new design. I will always bring new designs here. A Super Ava kiss and see you soon.